Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How's it going? It's been a while, but let's get to a cheap product review, right? 9H ceramic coating, super cheap. It's like in a bottle or so. I thought, you know what? Let's give it a shot. So let's open the box. Inside we have this container. I thought it was plastic. Every time you look online, it's glass with a metal cap. It comes with what I think is instructions. Okay. Look at it, Mr. Fix. Boy, you know it's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. Anyway, and it comes with what looks like a rag and then the applicator. I will assume this is the part that you put the rag under. The rag is weird though. Is it one rag or multiple rags? Yeah, it's multiple rags. Okay, so you can use more than one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is it has been washed, it has been wiped down prior to this whole vibes. But what I want to do is actually just apply it, but I'm gonna do it to half the car. So I'm not gonna do a masking tape line. I'm just gonna try and do a imaginary line and then make the driver side the side I cover it with. Fairly simple. You just put this around the applicator, dab it with the stuff, and then apply. Okay, in a crosshatch position, so like a what and a what. Give it a few seconds and then wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Let's see how that goes. They say this is really good for beginners. If you look at anything online, it tells you this is a very thin coat compared to like more expensive coats. I don't mind trying it because it's thin. The car is not perfect. There's like very fine scratches and stuff. Let me get to preparing here, and then we're gonna try and do the boot first because the top of the boot is like really under the light, so we can get that done. And then we apply it and then see what happens. Right? When you look at the paint, it's very difficult to see, but it's full of marks. It really does need like a paint correction or so. But yeah, let's try and apply it to this side and then see what it's like. Apply it, and then obviously the car get dirty and then hose it down and then see how it looks. So that's the plan. The plan is to put on and then apply it. Also, I want to do the whole, if you watch Legit 3 cars, he puts it on the plastics and it like rejuvenates the plastics. I want to try that also. So yeah, let's get down to doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep a cloth ready over here. We're gonna dab this thing. Don't know if it has some sort of seal or anything like that. I think it does have a seal. Yes, there is a seal. There is a seal on it. I was thinking, yeah, probably leak. Okay, then you wanna make sure this is nice and soak good, eh? Right though. Let's put that down over there, out of the way, and then let's do a whole. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I want to also see like just how easy it is to put on, because that to me is is it easy to put on. Also, this applicator thing I think is gonna be the problem number one. Okay, so give it 30 seconds. Do I use a timer? Slow. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, yeah, have two cloths ready. Let me tell you. 2 cloths ready, let me tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. 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 Okay, so I'm gonna put this Oh my. Oh my, that immediately gives a bit of a different shine, eh? And you want to also make sure you're wiping all of it off. Okay, doing the same with the bonnet here now. Same system. I haven't changed this, so it's exactly the same like it was at the back. Just re-wetting it. Okay. Just put that down over there. And then, okay, yeah, this is gonna be a problem. Like being able to see. I think I'm gonna do a small spot first. Guys, this is stuff I would advise maybe getting really big lights. All I know is you cannot leave this on for like very long. It will obviously turn hard and stuff. Like I said, the reason I'm pretty much getting it is for just for the technical. Number 2, for the lights, plastic, and the windows. Apparently if you put it on the front window, makes the water bead up nicely. But yeah, this is just this. Let's skip to when we hose it down and stuff. Yeah, it's coming off that side, but not on the side. Okay. That is crazy. See, it's totally running off and beating off this side. Okay. But not on the side. It's still all very much attached on the side. I did the roof completely so you can actually see just how crazy it's beating on the roof. That's insane actually. Also, I wanted to actually find this out. Like, if you leave it on the rag, it makes it hard. It's hard, the rag. So clearly it's something in the. I always wondered if it's like some sort of weird clear coat formula, maybe, that it's very thin and stuff. So if you put it on the rag, that you put it on the car, it turns the rag hard. So you can't use this rag again. If you're going to use it on your car, you're going to use this one rag, and you're going to use this one rag one time on your car, and it's done. You cannot use this rag again. So yeah, so you guys saw the results. I'm going to coat the rest of the car because it's going to be raining the next few days or so. And just so you know, the parts that I did use, I maybe used too much because they say soak it and then just 2-3 dots again. It's about half. It's about 2/3 bottle, but then again the bottle wasn't 100% full, so 1 bottle per car on my car for sure. Definitely 1 bottle. So if you're gonna buy 100 rand to cover the whole car, worth it. Super worth it. That's it, guys. the Mr. Fix premium coating from China, probably. I will assume because it's cheap. Oh, that's probably said made in China. Let's just check the box here. No. Oh, funny stuff on the side of the box here. Let me just read this quickly. Permanent protection, scratch resistance, super hydrophobic effect, thermal resistance up to 680 degrees. Wish I had a torch to try that out. And anti-graffiti. I doubt I can graffiti on the car and it will repel the graffiti. But yeah, that's it. Cheap ceramic coat. It's a yes from me. Worth the money because it's $100. I mean, come on now. $100 and it's visibly shiny. And if you spray water on it, it visibly moves the water off from where this is coated. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of the car so the whole car is fully coated, and hopefully let's see how I do. I'm maybe gonna do a long-term test to see how long it lasts. They say 12 months. I doubt it. With regular washes, it'll probably come off. But yeah, there we go. Thank you. Cheap product review. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe give it a try. It's worth giving a shot. Come on. I'm not endorsed. No one is paying me to do this. I give you guys my honest opinion, and then I tell you. So yeah, there you go. Shiny car. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and below. See you in the next video.